The next thing is that remember 2个礼拜以前one student came and told us that you should be able to share what you think, your thoughts with the classes online in the 学生互动区. Do you see if you can? Okay, 所以 if you can, I'm not sure about the operation of this particular area, but if you can go online and go to the website, please leave as many thoughts in simple ways, okay? But the key thing is English, okay? You have to do this in English, and I will be able to help you with your final grade. When it comes to the final grade, as you understand, 老师有 mention couple things, 对不对? Number 2 is that as I mentioned that 加分是不是哈? This is what I'm talking about. 加分 is that if you go to some of the arranged lectures, for example, okay, 刘嘉生 and 童俊霖 have gone to 2 lectures. 刘嘉生 gone to the one that is about how English helps you to gain competitiveness. 这英语怎么样增加你的竞争力？好 ，Remember that was done by a Ding Chen from Asia University, which is located in Taichung. 童俊霖 also went. Okay, so you can done by attending arranged lectures by the teacher, by Liang Hao, 因为 we're also fighting with time. And also 刘嘉生 again and 童俊霖 again, okay? They have also gone to another lecture, series of lectures arranged by teacher Liang, which is about 生态危机和文化研究相关的哈。So there's one more, okay? Eco. What does eco stand for? 生态 ecology. There's one more, and also the last one, eco lecture that is arranged by teacher Liang, which is on June the 18th. I believe it's a Saturday. Which is on June the 18th, a Saturday, and time is at 2:30. Okay, if you are interested, or if you want to, add more points to your final grade. This is another way that you can do that. 第3个就是现在往荧幕上的哈 Please, we have about 5 weeks left. Please go on the website and leave as many messages, reflections, sharings, okay, in English. And this also helps you with your final grade. If you have any questions regarding the website, okay, 互动区 email me and I will let the 同学 help you how to resolve. As far as I am concerned, this is the place where you can just share what you have learned today in order to help you with your final grade. Any questions so far? If you are not working on your CM, I know that you are busy. Okay, now if you can go online, okay, please share, leave your thoughts about what you learned today. So I'm trying to give you different ways to help you with a final term grade. 郑毅, any questions so far? And thank you, wonderful, for your reflections. Okay, so you are working on CM, okay, or if you are working on the 互动区 in the website, okay. Again, I would like to remind you that the final exam for this course, okay, is an alternative exam. It's no longer the 纸笔测验. 印哲, what do we do instead for the final exam in this course? Answer me in English, because this is the way how you can use English. So tell me what you have. I have told you a million times about the final exam. In the midterm exam, my God. In the midterm exam, right, we took the exam, right? But for the final, what are we going to do?
An art project.
An art project. Do we have a title, a topic for that?
If you don't know what to do, you can do something about Taiwan.
Yes, wonderful. And if you, well, in the case of you and Mei, do you want to work on something to do with Taiwan? No. Oh, yeah, okay. So then, so you can work on either, you have an option, 同意, how? Do you want to work on Taiwan? Yeah, you have to think. You do have to think about it, because how many more weeks do we have left? Wenting, do you know how many more weeks that we have left? I think we have about 5 weeks, or not even 5. Time is, time 是光阴似箭，岁月如梭. How do we say that in English? Time flies by so quickly. Right? I think in 5 weeks or even even 4 weeks, you have to submit your final exam, which is not a 纸笔测验啊 which is wonderful, right? Which is something about your art project. Okay, 记住哦 do you know that? 伟杰 you do know about this, right? What are you going to work about? Yeah, you have to think. 冯文 do you have any idea? Not yet. Okay, it's very okay. Today is May 17号，是不是？好 So what's the day that we're going to do our final exam? Does anyone know? The final exam falls on, or we say the final 定在哪一天？英文怎么说？ The final exam is scheduled on beginning of June, June the 7th. 来 tell me how many more weeks that we have. 伟如数学系的 you know better than we do. Today being May the 17th, tell me how many more weeks that we have before June the 7th. This is the time we're going to do our final exam, Junling, but the final exam is not taking the form of a paper exam. It's your oral presentation again of your art project done by you and your partner. You can do 2 things. 跟台湾有关怎么说？亚伦 You can.伟如帮他跟台湾有关 You can
make the artwork related to Taiwan.
Yes, wonderful. Or alternatively, 伟如 You can also alternatively 记得这个字吗？另外的，对不对？好，对不对？好，另外的。简单的说是 or， 对不对？比较啰嗦的说法是什么 ？Alternatively, you can 伟如 alternatively you can 什么都可以，怎么说？啊 ？You can 什么都可以，怎么说 ？You can do anything。好，什么时候 ？June the 7th. So 伟如 how many more weeks that we have before June the 7th? How many weeks? Haha, it comes more quickly than I understood. Your final exam, 全班记住哦，很重要哦。Our final exam is scheduled on Tuesday, June the 7th, which is 距今离今天几个礼拜 ？3 weeks. 很棒哎，好，还有3个礼拜，大家就要解脱了哈。因为 final exam doesn't sound fun at all, but this is going to be a lot of fun, okay? So in your final exam, there's no 背单字 there's no 写作文啊，老师 are you kidding me? No, I'm not kidding. Okay, there's what? There is an opportunity for you to talk. You do have to talk, so I'm forcing you to talk, okay? But then, everyone is lazy. Now, let's move on, okay? 请你哈，所以你要加分，你要做那些事情哈。6月18号来听一场 extra, the last opportunity to add points to your, 赶快在网络上互动哈，加分。Or now let's move on to, 可以帮我放那个 PPT 吗？